In today's dynamic business environment, especially for small to medium-sized enterprises, SMEs, and even larger organizations looking for efficiency, virtual bookkeepers have become an increasingly popular solution. They offer the essential financial management services of a traditional bookkeeper without the overhead of an in-house employee. But for many business owners, the immediate and most pressing question is, how much does a virtual bookkeeper cost? As an accounting software expert, I can tell you there's no single fixed price for a virtual bookkeeper. The cost is highly variable, influenced by a range of factors that pertain to both your business's specific needs and the bookkeeper's expertise and location. Understanding these factors is key to budgeting effectively and finding the right fit for your financial management. Common pricing models for virtual bookkeepers. Virtual bookkeepers generally offer services based on a few common pricing models. Hourly rates. This is a straightforward model where you pay for the actual time the bookkeeper spends on your books. Hourly rates for virtual bookkeepers in the United States can range broadly, typically from $20 to $50 per hour, but can go higher for highly experienced professionals or those specializing in niche industries. Pros. Flexible for businesses with fluctuating needs, or those unsure of their exact workload. You only pay for what you use. Cons. Costs can be unpredictable if your transaction volume or complexity varies significantly. It also doesn't reward efficiency. A faster bookkeeper might cost you less overall even if their hourly rate is higher. Fixed monthly packages. Many virtual bookkeepers and bookkeeping firms offer tiered monthly packages. These packages typically bundle a set of services, e.g., bank reconciliation, expense categorization, monthly financial reports, and often account for a certain volume of transactions. Pros. Predictable monthly expenses, making budgeting easier. Often includes a set range of services for a transparent fee. Encourages the bookkeeper to be efficient. Cons. If your needs fall outside the package scope, you might incur additional fees. May not be cost-effective if your transaction volume is very low in a given month. Typical range. You might see packages starting from around $200 to $500 per month for very small businesses with basic needs, going up to $1,000 to $500 plus per month for more complex businesses with higher transaction volumes and additional services. Value-based pricing. Less common for basic bookkeeping but prevalent for more advisory-focused roles, or when a bookkeeper delivers significant financial insights or process improvements. Here, the price is based on the perceived value delivered to the client, rather than just hours spent or transactions processed. Pros. Aligns the bookkeeper's incentive with your business's success. Can result in significant savings or increased profitability for the client. Cons. Can be harder to quantify upfront and may require a deeper initial assessment to establish value. Per transaction pricing. Less frequent as a standalone model, but sometimes integrated into tiered packages, where an additional fee is charged for transactions exceeding a certain limit. Key factors influencing the cost. Understanding the pricing models is one thing, but knowing why the rates vary is crucial. Here are the primary factors that influence how much you'll pay for a virtual bookkeeper. Scope of services required. Basic bookkeeping, primarily recording transactions, bank reconciliation, and generating standard financial statements, income statement, balance sheet. This will be the least expensive. Accounts payable/receivable management. Handling bills, invoicing clients, and chasing payments adds to the cost. Payroll processing. Managing payroll, calculating wages, deductions, taxes, filing payroll reports is a specialized service that significantly increases fees, or often requires an additional dedicated payroll service. Sales tax filings. Calculating and filing sales tax returns. Cleanup/catch-up work. If your books are disorganized or you need many months of past transactions reconciled, this will often incur a higher one-time or initial fee. Financial reporting and analysis. Beyond basic statements, if you need custom reports, cash flow forecasting, or deeper financial analysis, the cost will rise. CFO/advisory services. Some virtual bookkeeping firms also offer higher-level fractional CFO or advisory services, which come at a premium. Volume and complexity of transactions. A business with 50 transactions per month will cost significantly less than one with 500 or 5,000 transactions. Complexity refers to the number of bank accounts, credit card accounts, revenue streams, international transactions, or multiple business entities. More complexity equals higher cost. Industry specialization. Bookkeepers specializing in certain industries, e.g., e-commerce, real estate, healthcare, construction, nonprofits, often charge more due to their niche expertise and understanding of specific industry regulations or accounting nuances. Bookkeepers' experience and qualifications. A certified public bookkeeper, CPB, certified bookkeeper, CB, or a bookkeeper with extensive experience, e.g., 10+ years, will command higher rates than a less experienced individual. Bookkeepers who are also certified public accountants, CPAs, may offer higher-level services but typically charge more, reflecting their broader accounting and tax knowledge. Location of the bookkeeper/firm. While virtual, the bookkeeper's physical location can still influence cost. Bookkeepers based in regions with a higher cost of living, e.g., major U.S. cities, generally charge more than those in lower-cost areas. Offshore virtual bookkeeping services, e.g., from the Philippines or India, typically offer significantly lower rates, often starting from $5 to $15 per hour or even lower monthly package rates, but businesses should consider potential differences in communication, time zones, and specific tax/compliance knowledge. Accounting software used. Some bookkeepers specialize in specific software, e.g., QuickBooks Online, Xero, FreshBooks. If your preferred software requires a paid subscription, that cost might be passed on or factored into the bookkeeper's fee. The efficiency of modern cloud-based accounting software can sometimes help reduce the bookkeeper's time, potentially leading to lower costs than manual methods. Finding the right virtual bookkeeper for your budget. To determine how much a virtual bookkeeper will cost for your specific needs, follow these steps. Assess your needs. Clearly define what bookkeeping tasks you need help with. How many bank accounts do you have? What's your average monthly transaction volume? Do you need payroll, sales tax, or specific reports? Gather quotes. Reach out to several virtual bookkeepers or bookkeeping firms. Be prepared to provide them with details about your business and its financial activity. Compare services and value. Don't just look at the bottom line. Compare what's included in each quote. Does it cover everything you need? Does the bookkeeper have experience in your industry? Consider the long-term value. While cost is important, remember that accurate, timely bookkeeping is an investment that can save you money in taxes, prevent errors, and provide crucial insights for business decisions. A slightly higher upfront cost for a truly competent bookkeeper can yield significant returns.